Hello, my wonderful friends. Ooh, I've got some really cool things to go over with you today. Let's start with the day. It's December 15th. So, if we've got our calendar, yesterday was Monday the 14th. Today is Tuesday the 15th. Let me grab our book for later and we will write down 15. So if you notice, 13 is 1, 3, 14 is 1, 4. How do you think we write 15? Did you look up there? 1, 5. All right, 1, 5. All right, 15. So something cool about 15 is that you can count by 5s to get there. So you got 5, 10, 15. So we just counted by 5s. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5, 10, 15. Can you guess what comes next? 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's see. I don't think I brought my 20 out here, but 20 is 20. So very cool. So December, let's sing our months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. And December is our 12th and last month. So this is the last month in 2020. And next month it will be 2021 for the whole year. That will be really neat, huh? All right, what should we talk about next? Any ideas? Do you know? I'm gonna think about it. Do you have good ideas? You do? What should we talk about? The weather. Let's do the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Like today? Sunny, windy, rainy, cloudy, stormy, snowy. Can you say? Can you say? All right, let's see. I've got my binoculars right here. What do you have? Do you have, like a telescope? Or do you have 2? And you can make binoculars with them? Let's take a look out our window. I'll wait. What do you see? Are we having wild and crazy weather? Nah, not really. Are we having wind today? What about snow? No, oh, look at this. This matches all the snowflakes going on behind me. Do you remember how many there were? Let's count them later. So today, what I see out my window is some clouds with some sun. So it'll be cloudy and sunny. But tomorrow, I hear we might get some rain. I'm kind of excited about that. I think it's kind of a perfect time to get some rain. Oh, so I said we would count our snowflakes. All right, let me move out of the way. Can you see them all? I think so. Yep, because I remember how many there were. So you can see them all. Can you count them? What number did you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Yay! Okay, we haven't gone over our cards in a little while. So we've got letter A, and A is a vowel. So vowels usually have more than one sound. So A says A, and A says ah. And do you remember what else A says? Aw, for awesome and auto. B says B, B. C says K, and even though it's a consonant, it also says S, K, S. D says D, D, dancing dinosaur. Oh, E is a vowel. So E says E, eagle, earring. E says elephant, egg. F says F, there's a fox. Oh, this is another consonant, but it has two sounds. This is soft G. There's a giraffe at the gym, J, J. This is a hard G, G, G. Goat, guitar. Oh, here's our happy hippo. H says H, H. Oh, here's another vowel. Two sounds. There's the soft I says I, itchy iguana. There's the long I. There's iron and ivy, I. There's J for jumping jaguar. There is K for kangaroo and kite, K. There is L, lion licking a lollipop. Oh, this was last week. There is a monkey and a map. M says And this week we have N. And N, there's the night sky with stars, a nail, a necklace, and these are all in a nest. Well done. All right, so in your DL bags, this was one of the things that I sent home. What letter is this? This is N. And what you can do is grab some little pieces of paper or Post-its, and we're gonna write numbers. Let's write 1 first. So 1 starts at the top and goes down to the bottom. There's number 1. And I am going to take off my little piece of paper, and I'm gonna find number 1 on here. That's not 1. That's not 1. Where is 1? Is it there? There. There. Good job. So that is where number 1 goes. There we go. And I'm going to do that again with all the numbers. And then I can match them all. What number should I do next? Can I do 8? 8 would be fun. Kind of looks like a snowman. There's a circle on the top and a circle on the bottom. All right, so now I take the 8 off and I find it. Is that my 8? 8? No. That one? No. Oh, there it is. Thanks for helping me find that. So I'm gonna put that on right there. And do you know what all of these are? They're numbers. Do you know what letter number starts with? N, number. N. Isn't that wonderful? Alrighty. I have an experiment for you, my friends. So, let's see how this is going to work. We are going to, I have a water bottle and a funnel. And the funnel helps you put things into objects that have a narrow mouth. So what I have right here is I have baking soda. And I'm going to pour some into the bottle. Oh, there it goes. You see it going in? Oop, it got stuck in the funnel. There it goes. You see it filling up the bottom? All right. Try not to make it too noisy for you. And it has apparently gotten a little bit stuck. Okay. And that can happen with baking soda because it can be clumpy. So I'm going to wiggle this gently. How about, yep, there is a big clump at the bottom of the funnel. I'm going to go grab a pencil. Sometimes pencils, see if it'll help push it through. Well, the clump is almost through. All right, so here we go. Now we're getting lots of baking soda in the bottom. And it's still getting a little bit clumpy, but that's okay. See all that going in? Have you guys ever done an experiment with baking soda and vinegar? That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna capture the gases. We're gonna put a balloon on the top of this and see what happens. Okay, so next what we need is vinegar. Here's my big bottle of vinegar. And then I am going to really quickly put a balloon on the top of this. So, wish me luck. We're going to pour in just a little bit because I don't want it to become a big mess. Oh my goodness, look what's happening. Oh, all right, I'm going to throw the balloon on the top. Let's see if we can capture, let's see what ends up happening. So this is still, wow, so it is letting off gases that I've mixed with the vinegar and the baking soda. And the balloon is starting to get tight. That's really cool. So there's still baking soda at the bottom, and I bet I could add more vinegar and get more of a reaction. But it took me a little while to get the balloon on the top. But mixing baking soda and vinegar creates a chemical reaction, and that lets off gases. Pretty interesting. The other thing that I've got to show you is our corn. Look at how much it's grown. Do you see its amazing roots? Now we talked about what we should do with this. And one of the really amazing ideas was to plant it. I think I am going to have to plant it. And the other really neat thing about it is, do you see how the stalks are kind of turning purple? And these corn kernels were actually kind of a purpley color to begin with too. So that's pretty cool. All right, last thing for you. Nipper and the Lunchbox by Lucy Dillamore. And it looks like she wrote it and she illustrated it, which means she did all the pictures. Once there was a little dog called Nipper. He loved doing many different things such as sleeping, snoozing, snoring, dozing, and dreaming. Really? What does that mean he liked doing? Sleeping? And most of all, he loved his best friend, Richard. But there was one thing that Nipper definitely did not love. Uh-oh. Is Richard going away to go to work or go to school? Looks like it. And that was when Richard went to work. One morning, something caught Nipper's eye. Richard had left his lunchbox behind. Oh no! Nipper knew what he had to do. Oh, he's dragging the chair over, getting on top of it, getting that lunchbox. What a hero. And after a little squeeze and a bit of a wiggle, oh, he's trying to get out the doggy door, he was on his way. There would be many dangers on the journey. Oh my, but look at how brave he is. There he's going across the cow field. But Nipper was determined to help his best friend. Oh, now he's in the city. He's on a bus. It was all going rather well until... Uh-oh, what happened? He got a bit lost. Oh my goodness, look at how crowded it is. Things were certainly not going as planned. Oh no, he's got laundry all over him. Unfortunately, the lunchbox was beginning to attract some unwanted attention. There's pigeons. They want what's in the lunchbox. Ooh, these other dogs want what's in the lunchbox. And this attracted even more unwanted attention. There's the dog catcher, and he's trying to get him so he can bring him home. Fortunately, Nipper had some help along the way. This person's helping him. He's in the shopping cart, I guess, and the baby carriage, and a hamper, and a wheelbarrow, and a bike, a scooter. Richard's toy shop. Finally, he arrived. Nipper looked everywhere, but where was Richard? Meanwhile, Richard appeared from the back room. Oh, there's Richard. Why was the shop so busy? And what was everyone looking at? Richard's toy shop. Oh, who's sleeping in the window with the lunchbox? It was Nipper, and everyone loved him. And this gave Richard an idea. And that afternoon, Richard and Nipper shared lunch together. Oh, look at this. Richard and Nipper's toy shop. Aw, and every day after that. Oh, this is a map. Look at this. This is how Nipper got from the house, over the river, through the cow field, through the city on the bus, and to Richard's toy shop. The end. All right, my friends, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.